Let's go over how to clean and maintain your Survivor Filter Pro pump. When you notice a drop-off in flow rate, clogging, or are ready to take to clean and store away your filter, you can follow these cleaning instructions. After you have disassembled your Survivor Filter Pro, clean the housing, hoses, and cup cover with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry. Then take the pre-filter and the ultra filter and soak them in a 1:1 ratio of white vinegar and warm water. You can also use denture tablets instead of white vinegar to clean your pre-filter and ultra filter. Do not soak the carbon filter in vinegar, as this can damage the carbon fibers. Instead, soak the carbon filter in warm water only. After the filters have soaked in vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes, you can then rinse them with warm water to get rid of the vinegar. The same method applies with denture tablets. Shake out the excess water from the pre-filter and ultra filter and allow them to air dry completely for up to 72 hours. You can then reassemble the filter once everything is completely dry. A quick way to check if your components are dry is to rigorously shake the filter pieces to see if there is any excess water left inside. If it's still wet, allow it to air dry for longer. Now, if the flow rate of your filter seems poor or slow and you're experiencing clogging with your filter, we recommend backwashing your pre-filter and ultra filter, specifically the pre-filter. Backwashing the Survivor Filter Pro helps flush out any small particles that may be clogging and slowing down the flow rate of your filter. This process will allow you to reuse your pre-filter and ultra filter up to 100,000 liters. To begin the hard backwashing process, remove the ultra filter pre-filter from the water inlet hose and clean the tip of the pre-filter with white vinegar or a clean wet paper towel. To avoid cross-contamination, it is important to also clean the inlet hose. If on the go, you can use the clean water that has already been filtered by the Survivor Filter Pro to backwash the pre-filter. Place the clean inlet hose into clean water. Make sure the Survivor Filter Pro is on a firm base. In preparation for hard backwashing, pump 2 to 5 times to remove air and to prime the internal system with water. Connect the ultra filter pre-filter to the water outlet hose. While holding the housing firmly, gently pump the water into the pre-filter, flushing out any blockages or small debris. You will see water passing backwards through the pre-filter. Repeat this process as necessary. You have successfully backwashed your Survivor Filter Pro. You can also use a syringe to backwash while in the field or on the go. However, a hard backwash of pumping water through the filter instead of the syringe method is recommended to flush out any blockages. To learn more about this product, troubleshooting, and tips, visit us at survivorfilter.com. Want to speak to an expert? Email support@survivorfilter.com or call us toll-free 1-888-602-6367.